Alright, this is my problem. I have a 2012 Ford Focus automatic transmission, and it will not start. Intermittently, but now it seems to be all the time. So let's see what's going on here. So I can see I'm in park. Everything's turning on. I get nothing. I can press hard. Just nothing. Engine doesn't do a thing. Don't hear anything. I hear a slight hum in the background. I've tried using the tilted, whatever the tilted button is that lets you shift gears to get into neutral. I've tried it from neutral. I've tried it from park. Nothing. Car has a brand new battery, just replaced about 2 weeks ago, so I know it's not the battery. I have no idea at this point why this car won't start.